Hi guys, it's Flynn. Welcome back to another toy review. Today we are reviewing the King Predator, or I'm not really sure what his name is. I'm really sorry for not getting this right or not saying his name. I'm just really not sure what his name is. He is from the movie Predator 2, and he is 17 inches tall. As you can see, he is like the big red predator, as you can see in the background, and Gypsy Danger. Now back to this. He has a wide variety of detail. Oh wait. He wears, equipment that he has is a skull necklace. That wouldn't be equipment, some kind of skull thing. This sword, which is really cool. He's got this little rucksack thing on the back of him. That little thing full of bones or something. It's a little bit weird. He's got a plasma cannon, which is really cool. Gee, it's got like the thing up the top. Doesn't come with a helmet. I don't think the King Predator does come with a helmet. Well, this one doesn't. The tone of this color is obviously dark grey.